Hello, hello. So I decided to continue some work today for like an hour or something. Just gonna find something to listen to before I begin. Let's see. Okay. So earlier today, what did I do? Drag and drop cards. Right. So earlier today, I did the following. I added the outline here. It's acting a bit weird now. Interesting. Okay, anyway, I did that, and I also did dragging cards from hand. Okay, that's what I did earlier. But now I see I did something weird with hand. No, with the... Is it a grid drop outline here? So where do I spawn the outlines? World draggable. Here. So I added this off stream, I think, to try fix something else. No, that is not it. The reason I added that was because every time I grab something here, the outline originates from 0, 0. This is just not working. Okay, always fun to bug fix. I think the problem is that every time I am dragging the card, I'm removing I wonder if I spawn an infinite amount of outlines. No, so on drag start. Yes, okay, here. So I just spawn one, but every time I move, I update the grid position, which means on every drag event, I'm creating a new animation. That is why. So this is the wrong place to do this. I should probably... check whether or not it's changed. So I can do that probably by querying previous grid position, right? Prev grid pos. Now I started to write shorthand variable names. Okay, prev grid pos. So if, let's see, yes, thank you. So if, yeah, sure. Is that a thing? Yes. Can't compare. Right. So I need to implement, oops. How do I implement this? Like equal. Partial equal. Okay. Yep. Oh, so it was partially equal. Okay. Yeah, now it's much better. Much better. Okay. But I do want to, oh, I don't remember what I thought about. Okay, never mind. This is good enough. So now I didn't commit anything last time, so I'll just do dashed outline. Is that what I did actually? Animates drop area for drag entities. Okay, so the last commit is a dashed outline. So what did I do here? Drag and drop cards in hand, ensure fan out cards is respected. Hand anchor has to let. Okay, so it was only drag and drop for the hand. Suppose I can. Adds basic drag and drop for hand cards. Okay. Okay, next. So now I need to focus on the hand cards. These ones. Don't mind the floating text and oh, I have the same problem in the just a moment, sorry. World draggable. So I need to do the same in screen and draggable. So the reason I'm not handling both cases in the same functions or systems is because it's just easier. And I don't want to introduce too many query parameters. Let's see, previous. Copy paste. And in the future there might be some small differences, like the scale, for example. I only did the scale in world space, not in screen space. So that's one reason. And there's probably more reasons in the future. Okay, just gonna double check that the outline is snappy. Yep, now it's snappy. Good. So I can drag cards. And according to my to-do, I should be able to sort the cards. So I want to be able to move them around here. And this is something I have never done before. But it's, I guess it's not too hard. I just need to detect which position the current dragged card is hovered, I guess. So hand. So here, like sort cards, maybe, or sort. Yeah, sort cards. So sort cards, and I am going to turn off this because I'm going to get distracted. Okay, so what do I want to do? So I want to, let's see. So I have an anchor. And anchor is the origin, sort of. And card index is the position together with the origin, or rather the card index in the vec or array. And do I have some sort of const here? So fan out. I should really make this a const. So this. Okay. I'll put it here. Const card. Yep, 2 in one day. All those short ones. Let's see, card or fan. Is that one word? Fan out. Fan out. Gap, width, offset, F32. So half the width of the card. Cool. So fan out, offset. There we go. And here, card index times the fan out offset is the position. Okay. And in that case, I just need to swap the current index or the current hand card at position. Oh, I need to push all the ones right? So all I need to do is, I don't need to swap, I just need to move the hand card to the index. Then everything should solve itself, because everything else will be pushed. Hello, hello. It's going. Thank you for asking. Let's see. So I'm currently working on dragging cards from hand. And eventually be able to play them on the table. So earlier I implemented drag and drop for cards on table. What games do I play? Very casual games. Not casual games, but games that allows me to think. Like idle games. Turn-based RPGs. What else? Lately a lot of card games. Mostly to see what everyone does. What they do well and what they do less good. No, I don't stream much. I will probably just stream for a few weeks this summer. I will probably just stream this week because I'm on vacation. And later next month, end of July. Oh, it's July already. At the end of July this month, I'm probably gonna do a game jam. Then I might stream a few hours. I'm not sure which one I will join though. HIO jams. So I registered for Pirate Jam. So that's in 6 days. It starts in 6 days. So I will probably stream that for a bit if I do that. Otherwise I will probably do, let's see. Take care, Lisa, Jean. Hold on. Hey, how are you? No, not currently. Thank you though. I'm not a very serious streamer. This is mostly for, I don't know, archiving my progress or something. If it helps someone, good. Otherwise, yeah, fun to watch in the future maybe. Have a good day. Okay, so hand anchor origin, move the hand card to index. So that means I need the hand order. Yeah, so that's the hand order I have. And then I need the current. Is that the entities I'm storing? Yes. So I need the current dragged card maybe, or dragged hand card. That would be single. Let's say single entity. Is that the only thing I need? The entity. And with hand card and with dragging screen. And the origin. How do I get the origin again? That's the, let's see, where is that? Anchor. Okay, here we go. This is the anchor. Will the Bevy ECS complain now? No. Cool. What if I do this? Will it complain then? Because I had some issues previously. I don't know why though. Let's see. Because what? All right, suppose that there's multiple queries. I guess. I mean, it should work like this. I think. Yeah. All good. Okay, so hand origin. What I want to know is new position is something. So for actually dragged card entity is just a moment. Okay. So drag card entity, dragged hand card. Ah, dragged card entity. So, okay, and then I have the anchor. Which is just the anchor. So I have the transform. So anchor, transform. And the entity. So current index, I suppose, is card order. Card order what? I wonder. I don't remember how to do this. Rust vec get index. Huh. Really? So iter position and what was it? Okay. So n is the entity equals the dragged card entity. Okay. So that's an option. If let sum is that. Okay. I don't know why I want the current index yet. Just felt right to do it or to get it. Okay, so let hovering index is anchor. I can probably copy paste something down here. Maybe. So this half width is what decides the shift on the x-axis. So it would be this with this, right? Sort of. So the half width. Oh, n cards. So this is n cards. That must be how many cards there are. Yes. Card order. Okay, I'm doing card order iter twice. Is that a bad idea? No idea. Okay. Oh, and the V. This is the V, right? This. What I can do here instead is just can't I do like a loop here instead? So for card entity in card order iter. Yeah. So let's move all this here inside of this. And I can enumerate it, right? Enumerate. Yes. Now I can get the V value. But I only want to do this for what? For so if card entity does not match the dragged card entity, I'll just continue. Otherwise I get the V, which is the fractional offset, I guess. Yeah. Exactly. So I calculate the width, the total width for the entire hand, and then I calculate the fractional position of the card, right? Okay. So I'll just grab everything like this, right? Remove that. I don't need the shift, right? Or do I? Am I overcomplicating this? Maybe I am. Because I only need... So I know the transform that has the position of the dragged entity. Can't I just do no looping? I have the total width. And yeah, okay. So here is the total width and width, or yeah, hand width. And I have a transform. So right. This, I do need the index. So let's do index position back here again. n equals dragged card entity, right? I wonder if this is better than a loop. Who knows? Then we have the index. We have the hand. No. Yes, this is the hand width. And now math. I mean, it's not hard math, just I think. I need to think. Let's say I have 5 cards like this. This is 1. This is 0. Or I'll do this instead. So 0, 0 0.2. 0 0.2, 0 0.4, no, 25, I mean, 0 0.5, 0 0.75, 1.0. That's 5 cards. So if I grab this card, and I move it to the left, at what point do I want to flip the index or move the index? Is that at like 0. Is it a 0.75 minus? I think I'm overcomplicating this, but whatever. Minus 0.5 divided by 2. No. Maybe. But I'm suspecting I'm overcomplicating this. So all I want to do I visualize. Okay. So I grab this card. The origin is 0.75. On the scale 0 to 1. If I move it to the left and it hits halfway to the next card, I just want to flip the indices or move the indices, right? So if it's 0, it will be the first. If it's last, or if it's 1, it's in the last position. 0, first position. There's probably a clever solution to this. A lot simpler. Okay, so we have the hand width. And pos based on width would be hand width, I think. Now I need to introduce like the anchor. This is on the x-axis, so anchor. I can maybe do just anchor matrix equals anchor transform compute matrix. Okay, inverse, I think, and the card position or card hand position would be anchor matrix times, no, anchor matrix, like apply, yeah, applies the reflected value to this, no. How do I think I did this somewhere. Matrix, no, matrix, no. When I did scaling, I think I did that. Where I applied the matrix onto transform. And run the transform. Hold on. Okay, I need a quick break to think and go to the bathroom. Break timer. Right back. Okay. So taking a short break worked, I think. Let's see. So stop timer. What if I just do this? I'm just going to comment out this again. I am going to comment out this and this. So I have the anchor transform. So offset. So the offset let's do offset x equals the anchor transform. Oh, I need to remember how to do this now. Is it minus or plus? Studies, math, addition, offset, cool. And it's commutative, so I can do plus on both. No, hold on. That's not offset. I want a delta. So it should be I don't know which way it should be. I'll just try. So anchor transform x. No. Oh, translation. Translation x minus transform translation x. Okay. Is this it? So origin offset. Wait. So I'm doing this every frame. What I really want to do is store the when I begin dragging, I just want to know the origin, because then I can just easily calculate how far or how many indices it has moved, right? So I suppose I can do that. Where do I want to put it though? Screen dragging. Maybe I should add this, right? And I can just do this. Yeah. What are you complaining about? Oh, it's not used. That's why. Okay. So then all of a sudden we have the origin. Let's see, screen. Oh, so I need screen dragging. Oops. Sure, screen dragging. And screen dragging is actually like origin. Drag origin. If I what is it? Dref. Right? Okay, so then I have the drag origin. And moves would be drag origin translation. Oh, that's a vec3, right? Yes. So vec3 minus transform translation. Oops. So just log this. Okay, I can't use dref, that's boring. There we go. Right, so, oh, it's inverse. I should do. Okay. So other way around. Okay, so moves, and that I will divide by, what did I call it? Fan out offset. Fan out offset. Right. Oh, no. X. Okay, hold on. So 1. Okay, it should not be the offset, it should be the entire width of the card. Of course. Card width. Okay, here we go. So no, hold on. 1 half. Let me think about this. So here, yeah, so it would be the start. So I would imagine if I went here, 0.6, then it would switch. So I went to 1. Yeah, so it should be half. The offset. I'm just gonna try with that. Let's see what happens. Right. Okay. And now we want to get the current index. Current index equals, where are we? Card order. I already have this code, right? Index. Oh, I removed this. Nice. Okay. Iter position and the bane of my existence on my keyboard. Pipes. Let's see. N. Oh, I don't need to do that. N equals dragged card entity. Then I get the current index. The new index would be the current index minus moves min max. Is that a thing? No. Hold on. F32 view size. Oh. If let sum if let sum. Oh, come on. What am I doing wrong here? There. So the new index, current index is usize, moves is F32. Can I convert it to usize? Full number? Maybe. Min, max. Okay, so min would be 1, max 0.